Hey there, good evening. I'm meteorologist Ryan Shoptaw with your weather forecast. Today was hot and no big surprise, as you can see, as we kind of take a sneak peek at the next 3 afternoons, 3 mornings. It's mostly quiet, mostly clear. If we see any rain develop on radar in our region the next few days, it's mostly in the overnight and while we're asleep. But notice, 99 Thursday to 98 on Friday, mostly clear and sunny. Summer weather taking over for this first full week of July. Now, later tonight, tomorrow morning, we're in a general storm risk, mainly out east, though, towards Dallas, Fort Worth, and towards Tyler, Lufkin, and East Texas. That's where the rain coverage will be a little bit more pronounced and higher in intensity. But San Angelo tonight through tomorrow morning could see an isolated storm risk. Same thing for tomorrow into early Thursday morning. Here's tonight. As you can see, 1 or 2 isolated downpours. Most of us staying dry. Don't count on it. Don't hold your breath, because our weather pattern stays pretty dry and influenced by the heat dome that's going to strengthen up farther north of Texas. That keeps it relatively dry the next several days. And as you saw on the next 3 afternoons, it stays hot. Tomorrow afternoon, highs near 98 to 99. A few clouds overhead, not providing much shade, unfortunately. And that'll be the same case through Thursday and Friday under mostly clear conditions. As you can see, rain coverage just really not impressive. It's possible, it's just not probable with the intensity and the coverage. Now, as we move into Sunday into Monday, a little bit different, slightly, as a couple of disturbances drop in from the north, and that could generate our next opportunity at rain next week, Monday and Tuesday, and we'll show you that on the 7-day in a second. Meantime, here's the overnight forecast. Here are your morning lows for your Wednesday. Tomorrow morning, starting off the day, pretty comfortable, if not pretty warm and mild. Lower to middle 70s. It's summer, though. It's going to happen. Temperatures just don't cool off all that much in the overnight. And the daytime highs, they boost up into the upper 90s to near triple-digit mark. Anywhere from Sweetwater down to here in San Angelo. Expect daytime highs in the upper 90s and a south wind fueling a little bit more moisture and humidity in our atmosphere, making it feel a little hotter than the actual air temperature with the heat index and all. All right, so the overall pattern, watch what happens Friday and Saturday. It's generally the same. Small rain chances in the overnights, daytime highs getting hot. It's a typical summer pattern. But it kind of gets worse. Watch what happens. This ridge starts to strengthen and amplify its intensity right over Denver towards parts of Wyoming and the Rocky Mountain Northwest. And we stay on the southern side of that ridge, and that keeps the door open for slight rain chances. Really rotating around this ridge on that south and southeastern side. We're hoping for it, but here's your 7-day forecast. Tomorrow at 99, and we stay right around that mark through Friday and the end of the work week. This upcoming weekend, I would say not as hot, not necessarily cooler, because it's still a little humid, partly cloudy, isolated rain chances. By next Monday and Tuesday, slightly better opportunity at some widely scattered thundered showers, primarily in the late evening into the overnight hours, where we could see some thunder and lightning and hopefully some slightly cooler air.